What's the meaning of consensual? Consensual. Consensual.
Consensual. Consensual. The term consensual refers to something that is agreed upon or done with the mutual consent and understanding of all parties involved. This implies that everyone is aware of and approves of the actions, decisions, or agreements being made. In essence, consensual means something is happening or being done with full voluntary participation, free from coercion or outside pressure. It can apply to various contexts such as relationships, contracts, and legal matters. Overall, consensual implies a level of trust, respect, and understanding between those involved.